Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is not gonna be about Avishka 3. I want to show you guys how you can fix this problem that I ran into with Quixel's bridge application. So recently, with the introduction of Unreal Engine 4.25, there has been a problem in terms of installing the Megascans plugin. And after doing some research on the internet, I found out that it's actually a problem that a lot of people have been having with this current version of Unreal Engine. So those of you who have been getting this install failed error can just follow this tutorial. I'm going to show you how you can manually install it and set it up and see if it's actually working with Unreal Engine 4. So this might not be applicable only to 4.25 depending on the engine version. I think this problem was there for me in 4.24 and 4.23 as well. So it doesn't really matter what the engine version is. If it's supported by the Megascans plugin, you guys should just check out this tutorial and see if it'll help you out. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to locate the downloaded file. So basically we get to this point after downloading the plugin, and when we choose to install it, you wind up getting this error. So we're gonna have to first locate where the plugin has been downloaded. So most of the time it should be in your app data folder. So I'm just gonna show you how to navigate there. Head over to your C drive, users, access, app data. So app data is actually a hidden folder in your Windows Explorer. So you can actually toggle that using the view option here. You get hidden items. So I'm gonna disable it. I don't have my app data folder anymore. So I'm just gonna go ahead and enable it. And another way for you to do it is to actually just go ahead and type in here app data, and you can just go there. You don't actually have to enable hidden items. When you do go to app data, head over to local and search for the folder named temp, TEMO. Here we go. Okay, so I'm just gonna sort this by date modified. And okay, so here you go. You get 7.2.zip. that is the current version of the Megascan plugin. At the time you are watching this video, sometimes the version could be different. So just go ahead and grab this zip file. I'm just gonna cut it and head back to PC. So now what we're gonna have to do is install it by ourselves. So just go ahead and close all this. Okay, so I'm just gonna so we're back here again. Head back into your C drive, program files, Epic Games, 4.25 engine, and you get the plugins folder here. So we're basically gonna drop the Megascans plugin into this folder. So I'm just gonna go ahead and paste this here. And okay, I think there might be a problem with that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and drop it into my desktop and extract it there. Oh, I have 6.2 as well. Delete that. 7.2. Head over to latest Win 4.25. It depends on what's the version that you're gonna actually need. So depending on whichever one that you need, go ahead and extract that particular one. Go to 4.25, open that folder, and extract that one. So all we need from here is just this Megascans plugin folder. So just go ahead and cut this, head back into our plugins folder, and just paste it here. Now at the time we're doing this, sometimes you might already have a Megascans plugin installed. But don't worry about that, just overwrite the files when prompted to. Okay, so that's basically done. Now what we're gonna have to do is test out and see whether the plugin is actually working. Alright, so I'm just gonna head over to Bridge. And downloaded assets, 3D assets, mossy rocks. So we'll head back into our export settings and see if it has been installed or not. And when we click the install plugin, it's verified as installed. So we've already gotten that verified. Now we can go ahead and proceed to actually export something. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up Epic Games. Okay, so this could take a while. I'll be back in a few seconds. Okay, so we are almost in the project now. Alright, so we're in, and as you can see, we have the Megascans plugin option at the top. So hopefully this works. Fingers crossed. Okay, so I'm just gonna head over to Bridge. So you're gonna have to download a 3D asset before you actually get started with exporting. So I suggest just pick anything you want. We're just gonna test this out, and I'm just gonna click export. Okay, so it says converting one of 4 textures on the. Okay, it's gone. Successfully extracted. Is it gone? Oh, okay, it says importing. Cool. So this bit could take some time depending on how big the 3D asset is and how much of computing power you may have. I don't really know exactly what affects, but most of the time it is those things. Still will import. The reason it actually says that it's importing so many times is because there are a bunch of texture maps that need to be imported. Okay, so that's completed. Right, so looks like the import finally worked. Let's just, where is it? Okay, just gonna open it up real quick. Oops. So this is how it looks. It's not the prettiest, but it's pretty well detailed. I like it. Go ahead and close it. Drag and drop. Okay, so yeah, alright, looks like our textures have all been applied correctly on the object. There don't seem to be any problems with it. Alright, so that is basically how we do overcome this problem that you have with the plugin, the Megascans plugin. A lot of people have actually had this problem when I did check it out online, and I thought I'd go ahead and create a tutorial that will help all of you guys so that you can see exactly what it is that you need to do. I really hope this tutorial helped you guys, and if it did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be hoping to create some more Unreal Engine related tutorials in the future. Hoping to feature Unreal Engine 5 in my next tutorial. Kind of excited about that. So I'll see you guys next time. Keep developing.